Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Fiat 500 guys, and if your door, let's say left or right door, does not guys unlocks okay with the remote, or it doesn't lock and unlock with the key, okay, those are two different problems. We're going to cover all that today guys and what causes that. Make sure you stay with us until the end. We'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this Fiat 500 guys, we make at least 200 to 300 repair videos, and on that Fiat alone we will have probably close to 400 videos guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos. If you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We share it for your convenience. So what is guys, okay, what is a common reason for a door not to lock or unlock on Fiat guys? Now let's first talk about locking and unlocking with the key, and then we'll talk locking and unlocking with the remote guys. So what can cause that now? So if you guys turn the key and yours does not lock and unlock, okay, let me explain now, okay, what is causing that now. So if I come on the inside, okay, we have the door panel removed. If you want to check the video out, check it out guys, it's on the channel. Check out how it moves that linkage here. Okay, so locks and unlocks, but that linkage is not attached guys, okay, to the door lock actuator. Okay, either the linkage is loose from the door lock actuator or it's loose from the lock guys. And we're going to remove the door lock actuator, and we're going to discuss about that a little bit more and show you what it looks like. If your key does not unlock the door, most likely guys it's a loose linkage. Another thing guys could be bad door lock actuator. Now if you guys lock and unlock the door with the remote and it still doesn't lock or unlock, it's a bad, most likely door lock actuator. The lock is inside, it's a motor that turns it on and off. So we will guys go ahead and remove it and show you what it looks like. Make sure you stay with us. If you need to get a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. If you need to see how to replace it, we'll have the complete video from start to finish, door lock actuator replacement on Fiat 500, so please check it out. So for locking and unlocking the car with the key guys, the one that moves the linkage, okay, attaches to that red thing, okay, attaches kind of like the black thing. You can see this is for the door handle, not for locking, but the linkage should be in, okay, and then you turn that thing like that and it should guys be all the way in. So you can see guys, okay, that's pretty much it guys, and if the key doesn't lock it and unlock it, check that linkage, make sure it's connected here and make sure it's connected to the door handle. You can see everything from here. I'm not able to show you with the camera. And if the car does not lock and unlock with the remote control, with the central locking guys, most likely it's a bad door lock actuator. You will need to replace that as well. We'll have the part number and the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.